make some delicious crispy chicken tenders tonight. I've got about 5 chicken breasts pounded out. I'm gonna take a couple, might do 2 or 3, and I'm gonna put them into a bit of a strip. Trying to do it fast here. Come on, chicken. My husband's a bread guy, so I'm gonna try to do a bit skinnier and see if we can get some good chicken tenders here. On occasion, my dad and I would fry up some chicken tenders. They were delicious. We'd make a delicious sauce. Raising Cane's Copycat, it was really good. And we've been wanting to try to make some really crispy. This might just be 4 breasts, but that's okay. Wondering if I should do a different one. Let's try a different one. This one's huge. That one's huge too. Okay, let's do these. We've been wanting to do these for a while. My husband got some potato starch to see if that will help make a super delicious crispy chicken tender. Okay, we've got a few there. Gonna wash up and put that away. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to do a wet batter. I've never made these before. This potato starch is quite clumpy, so I'm gonna have to whisk it for sure. It calls for half a cup, 2 cups of flour, all purpose, 2 cups of flour, 1, 2, 3, 4 halves, black pepper, onion powder. Oh shoot, this is garlic, onion, a little more garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, chicken can handle a lot of salt. It looks very strange. As you can see, I need more salt. I lost count. Now for this, we need half a cup of vinegar and water. No. Don't people do like milk? We're gonna do a little bit of buttermilk. I do not know what I'm doing exactly. We're just going for it. Milk, egg, lemon for the buttermilk. Then we'll try a little Tabasco, salt. When I've made fried chicken before, it isn't salted enough. This is a lot of dry mix. I think I might need more milk. People use vinegar too, I wonder. That's like more of the buttermilk, so I'm gonna salt my chicken a little bit too. You're supposed to add some of this to the batter. Whisk it up. Add a bit to the batter. Okay, and this some. Alrighty. Don't mind this extension cord, it's for my Christmas lights. I'm not sure exactly ratios or anything like this. I'm just going for it. Got a nice batter here. We're gonna go for it. Grab a little chicken. Batter. Full coverage. Get that whisk out of here. Flour mix. Fully coater. Press it in. Nice. Press it on her. Pull it up. Shake her off. Oh my goodness. Batter again. Full coverage. Cover her up. Press her down. That potato starch is very fluffy, so it's very strange pressing it down and stuff. Push that flour all over there. Now we're gonna put it on this plate and let it rest and soak up that flour and come up to room temperature more. Do the rest of them. Press her down again. Grabber, shaker, batter again. Submerge, grabber, cover and press. Shaker, cover and press. There you go. Well, that spot didn't get as much, so you want full coverage, so just go till you got her full coverage. Tap off the excess. Look at those. Those look delicious. Got a long one here. Hey y'all, to go along with these chicken tenders, I'm going to make some Raising Cane's sauce. We're gonna start with about half a cup of mayonnaise. Now when my dad would make chicken tenders, he would make this sauce. I know it's good. There's so many restaurants that have amazing sauce and they're super easy to make at home. I want this to fit in this tub, so we're just gonna go with this. Need about a tablespoon or so of W. We'll see. About 3 tablespoons of ketchup. This is brand new. Had to turn something off. About 3 tablespoons or so, but I'm also eyeballing it and I kind of want this to fit in this tub. I don't know if my husband's gonna want this sauce or not. No big deal. About a teaspoon of garlic powder if it wants to come out. There it is. A little salt. Lots of black pepper. Got about 20 pepper cracks in there and we will whisk it up. It's gonna be like a red-orange color, I believe, brownish. Looks like it needs more ketchup, but the lighting's also terrible in here. Tastes pretty good, but it's very W heavy. I think it needs a little more salt, pepper, and ketchup. Might add a hair more garlic powder, or that much. More salt. Mix that in. Definitely needed ketchup. You can tell by the color. Ooh, yes, that looks good. Chicken strips are a bit of a daunting thing to make. Fried chicken. Now I'm getting a lot of mayo. I don't remember what it tastes like. I haven't had it in so long. I don't even think they have Cane's around here. I don't know exactly what states have it, but this area doesn't seem to be like the ones too. I'm gonna add a pinch more ketchup and see what I think. Like I said, I don't remember what it tastes like. That tastes good, but it's kind of a burn in the throat. I'm not sure if it's the W or the pepper. Should taste good with chicken, that's for sure. I'd say it tastes pretty good. I might have to ask my husband and see if he wants me to add anything else. If he even wants this. He's a ranch or a ketchup kind of guy, but he does like other things. We'll see. Can't wait. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put these chickens in there. I should have taken them out a little earlier, but it is what it is. My temperature is at about 343, a little hot. These chickens should cool it down. Cook them on 325 for about 4 minutes. Take them out, kick it up, and then fry them for 2. We're gonna do it in multiple batches. Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in here and let you guys know that these chicken tenders turned out incredible. The batter was a little flat, not as textured as I had it when it was first battered. After it was sitting a while, it flattened out a bit. It was still so good. My husband doesn't like Raising Cane's chicken because it's soggy and gross, and that is not really what you want in a chicken tender or a fried food. The sauce turned out absolutely delicious. We ate almost the whole dish. There were just a couple tenders left. I always let my husband demolish the fries. These turned out great. The fries were the best they have been. Usually we air fry them for 20 minutes or more. These fries turned out incredible. The chicken tenders turned out incredible. It was a very different meal than we're used to. We haven't had too much fast food or fried food lately, which is fantastic, and we've been feeling better. Still headaches often, but this was a change and we were really feeling it. But what a delicious meal. Consider giving this a try, y'all. I encourage you guys to try something new and try making foods that you love. I appreciate y'all for joining me. This was very fun. Alright, y'all, here you have it. Homemade chicken tenders, frozen french fries, cane sauce, and of course ketchup and ranch. I appreciate y'all for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I appreciate y'all for joining me. Bon appetit! Chicken and fries, bomb diggity.